So बच्चे, we have started a chapter number 9, that is about financial management. Previously we have done the role of financial management and the objective of financial management. Today's topic is financial decisions. There are three important decisions which every finance manager has to take. Every finance manager has to take some financial decisions. Three important decisions are in your syllabus: investment decision, financing decision, dividend decision. First of all, we will discuss about the investment decision. It refers to deciding about how the funds are invested in different assets, where we have to invest, how much fixed assets we have to buy, how much current assets we have to keep, building we have to purchase, furniture, machine, tools, equipments, everything we have to purchase, and we have to decide well in advance कि how we have to invest those funds in these assets. How much we are having to buy the building, how much we are having to buy the furniture. If we are not having money for buying the building, we will take the building on rent or on lease. We will search the different alternatives. We have to arrange the assets and how much we are having to invest in these. Thinking about all these questions is investment decision, so that they are able to earn the highest possible returns. We just want to earn more and more money. For that, we have to invest in certain assets. We have to buy the building, we have to buy the furniture, we have to buy everything. We have to keep the stock, we have to keep cash in hand, we have to keep some amount in bank also. A lot of fixed assets and current assets we have to keep. And how much we have to invest in certain specific assets, different assets, that deciding that is the investment decision. Investment decision is a decision in which we decide about the funds are invested, how the funds are invested in different assets, how much we have to invest in long term assets and how much we have to invest in short term assets. So this decision is divided into two parts: long term investment decision and short term investment decision. Long term investment decision and short term investment decision. Long term investment decision refer to buying of new machine, building, furniture, etc. Means investment in fixed assets. Investment in fixed asset. It is also called capital budgeting decision. Just underline it or put a star on it, that this is also called capital budgeting decision. Long term investment means we have to invest in long term assets, on fixed assets, building, furniture, plant machinery, other things, and this decision is also known as capital budgeting decision. Then comes short term investment decisions. This is referred to as working capital management. It relates to the investment in short term assets, how much we will keep the cash, how much we will keep the stock, debtors, etc. Finance manager has to ensure that there is sufficient investment in these assets as they affect the liquidity position. So we have to maintain the liquidity also. So this is also called working capital management. Working capital management. Thinking about how much we have to invest in fixed asset is called long term investment decision. It is also called capital budgeting decision. Thinking about how much we have to invest in current assets, this is short term investment decision and also called Working capital management. We have to take three major decisions: investment decision, financing, and dividend. Investment decision tells us how much, in this we decide how much we have to spend on different assets, and it is divided into two parts: long term investment decision and short term investment decision. Long term investment decision is called capital budgeting decision, and short term investment decision is called working capital management. Now, for taking this investment decision, we have to consider certain factors. There are certain factors affecting investment decision. Factors affecting investment decision. So, for taking long-term investment decision or capital budgeting, it is also called long-term investment decision. We have to consider 3-4 points before taking investment long term investment decision. First is cash flow of the project. Cash flow of the project. Ki how much we have to spend the cash? We are having that or not? We know investment decision is related with investment in long term assets. These assets involve both cash outflow and cash inflow. The amount needed for investment is known as cash outflow. On the other hand, returns from the same investment is known as cash inflow. Both of these are have to be analyzed carefully. We have to analyze carefully how much we have to spend and how much we will get in return. If we are buying a machine, how much we are spending on it, and if we are taking that machine on lease, then how much we have to pay and how much will be the return from that machine. We have to consider the cash inflow and outflow both. Then rate of return, how much return we are getting from it. The project may not be profitable as compared to other. The creation to decide criteria to decide the profitability of various projects is their respective rate of returns. The rate of return is calculated on the basis of expected return of the project and risk attached with it. If two projects are of same risk class, the project having higher rate of return will be accepted. Ki what we are getting in return, what income we are getting in return from the project, then we will invest. First of all, we will see the cash flow, cash inflow and outflow of the project, ki what we have to spend, how much money we have to spend and how much money we will get in return. Then rate of return should be more than the invested capital. Then investment criteria involved. There are certain investment criterias which are involved. There may be many criteria of the investors while investing in the long term assets. These are funds involved, rate of interest, rate of return, cash flow, etc. All these factors influence the decision to go for a particular investment or not. We have to consider few other things also. But for investing in long term assets, we have to consider three major points: cash flows of the project, the rate of return, investment criteria involved. Then bache, for taking short term decision, there are two types of decisions in investment: short term investment decision. Following are the factors affecting the short term investment decision. This decision is related to working capital management, keeping adequate amount of working capital. Keeping adequate amount of working capital. We just want to see that we should be able enough to pay the current liabilities on time. We should have that much cash that we should be able enough to pay the current liabilities on time. Adequate amount means that amount of working capital should neither be more or not be less than required. Both these situations are harmful. It should not be more and it should not be less. If the amount of working capital is more than required, it will no doubt increase liquidity but decrease the profitability. Money we are having, we are not using it properly, so we will not get more profits. And on the contrary, if the amount of cash and other current asset is very little, then a lot of difficulties will be faced in meeting daily expenses. So for maintaining liquidity, bache, we have to consider about the working capital. So this was your investment decision.